Hey everybody, today we're making the green apple sangria. Perfect drink for the ladies getting clatchet. Want to top it off with some sliced apples and pears, little bit of green apple vodka to keep that apple flavor going, and top it with some sour apple pucker. Ladies, it's gonna have you puckering them lips after you drink it. White wine, that's for the classy part of the clatchet. And of course we got some white grape juice. Keep that summertime freshness. Don't forget to stir. If not, you're gonna have some awkward layers and you don't want that. You want your drink to be as smooth as possible. And of course, pour yourself a glass. Let's get this started.
It's pretty, right?
Very pretty.
It's a real sexy drink.
It is a sexy drink.
And there you have it, the green apple sangria. Okay, this is Bobby on the mic. Okay, Bobby, you laying it down good, girl. Stay tipsy.